How to download SlideShare PPT for free. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your SlideShare PPT. You can easily log in using your Google account. Let's say I want to download this storytelling for the web PPT. There is a download now option here. Simply tap on it. Log in to your to your account. If you do not have an account, you can easily sign up using your Google like I did. And now here's the trick. What you have to do is you have to download with free trial, and then after you have downloaded, you will have to cancel the subscription before November 25. You can see here you can cancel anytime as it says. So this is not any immoral or bad work. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.